Sometimes events happen very, very quickly in a Kubernetes cluster. And this is why I want to show you LiveTail. LiveTail is essential not just for understanding exactly what is happening very quickly, but it's really cool because it gives these like insight analyses into your logs before they're even indexed. So the millisecond they hit the Coralogix API, you're getting information about them. You can break them down, parse them, look at individual fields, again, before any indexing is happening. This is so useful for when something is critical like happening on your computer. You can think of this like your terminal UI. It's like the place you go and you need things fast and you need something very flexible and very easy to use. So if I just click start right now, we're going to get an absolutely massive influx of data, okay? So that's way too much for anything to do with. But it's very, very easy to work with. I can literally just type in the word Kubernetes here, for example, and click start. And now I just get the logs that are related to Kubernetes. It's like, cool, okay. What am I actually interested in? So I can prettify these, for example. And what this will do is it'll break down everything into an object. I can say, okay, what's in this Kubernetes object? Here's the original message. Here's the pod data. Here's Kubernetes data, and so on. And I can say, okay, I don't actually want all the whole block of information. What I care about is like the namespace, for example, Kubernetes namespace. The Kubernetes, let's say, deployment name. That seems pretty useful. And what else have we got here? The Kubernetes. Let's do the host name. Okay. So we'll start again. We'll clear because we don't need the old data anyway. Pause that and have a look. And you see how what we've done is we've essentially stripped this down to the data we need. This is like really, really quickly. Imagine like grepping and parsing the original log files. This is like this, but the aggregated version. It's so powerful because it gives you that instant insight into the data that you need. You can select the fields that you want. So in this particular case, we can see what's going on for particular services, particular applications on particular nodes and that kind of thing. We could unprettify this as well if we wanted to, so we just get the raw log data. This is so nice. And what it does, in my experience, is this is a really nice jumping off point where you begin with this, you experience it, and you go, okay, cool. Something weird is happening with this particular node. And then you could really start to employ the rest of the Kubernetes tools that we'll see on this course to really dig into what's actually going on that node. But this is so, so powerful for investigating those real-time, really important issues. When you don't need a fancy UI, you just need to get the data as fast as possible. This is as fast as you'll get it on any platform in the market. This is the real power of Coralogix, powered by the streamer architecture. So we're not indexing up front, we're not storing up front, and all that latency is skipped specifically by the LiveTail UI. So check it out. It's so, so powerful. Definitely worth becoming confident with this, because it's the difference between, it's only a few seconds difference, but it's the difference between seeing this data really, really rapidly and being able to see exactly what's happening in real time. Being more UI driven. So this is for different kinds of people. But if you're someone that just likes to grep and parse and type things in and analyze the data in a raw way, this is perfect for you. And it's perfect for anyone who's looking to get that instant high performance feedback on what's going on in their cluster, especially in their logs.